So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what it is. Whoa, a stuffed animal. Whoa, whoa, yeah, it's an octopus. Hey, why don't you and I draw an octopus together? Octopus are so cool. Did you know they have 8 arms? Whoa, you and I only have 2. Yeah, and their arms actually have no bones in them. Maybe that's why they're so wiggly. Whoa! Hey, I'm gonna take the color green. Whoop, there we go. And I will move you, oh, let go, right over here. Okay, I'm gonna take green, and then I'm gonna draw its head, which is almost a circle. Woo, yeah, just like that. But don't connect it down there. Leave it like that. And then for the fun part, all the squiggly arms. Okay, you go like this. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 6. Whoa. Yeah, 6 arms. Remember, I said they have 8. So let's add 2 other arms in the back. There we go. All right, let's count the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! And what's it missing? Yeah, its face. It's a cute face. Let's go right there. 1 eye, 2 eyes, and then a big smile. Oop, oop. Wow, what a happy octopus. Wow, if you had fun drawing this octopus with me, but you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? First, let's change the color. Let's have some fun. All right, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Whoa!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!